Hi there, I'm Lucy from MG Caravans and I'm going to be showing you this lovely 2017 Sterling Continental 650. It's one of our approved used caravans. All of our used caravans here come fully damp checked and with a minimum of 12 months warranty. This particular model comes with 36 months warranty, and in terms of damp check, there's nothing to damp check in this caravan because it is one of the first of the completely timberless constructions, so it's very desirable. You're not going to get any of those devastating damp reports where you've got high readings. Everything is fiberglass in this caravan. So we've got fiberglass front, rear, sides, internal and external, floor, internal, external, and the roof, internal and external. So you don't get any of those niggly little dents on the side. Everything is fiberglass, so it does look fresher for longer. We'll start on the off side. So this model has got an onboard tank. So you've got two inlets there, one to go straight to the tank and one to run directly from the aqua roll. Got an external shower point there, so if you ever have your aqua roll and you've gone across freshly cut grass, you can give it a quick rinse off with your shower head that comes with the van. We've also got the external flue for the heating for the Audi boiler, battery box there, alloy wheels, the cassette for the toilet and the fill up for the flush. We'll move around to the back of the caravan. It's got rails there already fitted if you wanted to put a bike rack on the back. Got a reversing rear view camera which also comes with a sat nav. Every single light on this caravan is LED, so 100% LED lights, external and external on this model. We've got the near side, so really striking black and blue graphics, very modern. It comes with Alco Secure wheel locks, and it also has an underslung spare wheel and the Alco side lift jack as well. You can see the point to the left there. They're really handy if you ever had a spare wheel, and also lining up those wheel locks is very easy with the side lift jack. We've got an external mains point, a locker that goes underneath that front seat, a barbecue point, and then we're back to the front where you've got your nice and wide front locker, so you've got plenty of room for 2 gas bottles, and then also storage, mains lead, chocks, things like that. Large sunroof, and then at the front we've also got Alco ATC, stabiliser, jockey wheel, electrical connections, handbrake, everything like that. We'll step into the caravan. We've got a one-piece high security external door. It's got a door bin there, and it's also got a window with a blind. There is also a fly screen that pulls across. The caravan does have a removable carpet, so they're a nice high pile carpet, and there is a wood effect flooring beneath, which is wiped clean. We'll step in, you'll notice that it's got really nice neutral high quality furnishings in here, the upholstery. This particular model's got a U-shaped seating area at the front, which makes for a really nice cosy living area with the roof light and sunroof at the front letting in loads of natural light. The windows and roof lights all have concertina, fly screen and blackout blinds. Dimmable spotlights, so they're dimmable from the knob at the back. Additional pillar lights at the front, so really nice luxurious features. Lots of storage, so we've got overhead lockers, everything's positively locking. You're not going to get anything swing open in transit. Got a CD radio and there's speakers throughout this model. Control panel. It's also got Swift Command, this model, so you can download an app on your phone to control the heating, track the van, all through one app, which is really handy to have. Got wet central heating in this model, that's the control for the Audi heating. Cocktail cabinet. Got a fixed TV bracket in here, and then also the TV points, their main sockets, 12 volt, and then to a satellite point. It's also got an external satellite point in the battery box, so if you have a satellite on a tripod, very, very easy. You don't have to put a cable for a window. It's all nicely wired in already. Got smoke alarm and carbon monoxide alarm. Large kitchen area. Again, loads and loads of storage. The lower storage, we've got pull-out wire baskets, a cutlery tray, a large drawer at the top, more pull-out wire baskets, and a drainer and cover for the stainless steel sink. We've got a cooker, so we've got 1 hot plate and 3 gas rings. Got a gas grill and gas oven. Got a microwave at the top. Lots of storage in the top locker, and then also you'll see we've got the solar panel regulator. So we've got a 100-watt solar panel already fitted to the roof in this model. We've got an omni vent in the roof. So it's got 2 functions. It either extracts from the kitchen or it ventilates. So you can have a little bit of a breeze going on if you set it to that function. We've got the TV aerial, which is located above the fridge. We've got a really large fridge with separate freezer. It's a 3-way fridge, so it works on both gas and electric, and then also on 12 volt electric on the car. I've got a freezer compartment at the top. We'll move through to the washroom. So this model's got a rear island bed and central mid washroom. Straight as you walk in, you've got this lovely LED lit mirror, and then also storage beneath, so perfect for getting ready to go out, do your makeup, hair. And then in the corner here we've got really nice large shower, got LED lights in the shower, water saving eco camel shower head, and then we've got a slide round door. Domestic style towel warmer, which is connected to the heating. And then round to this side we've got the cassette toilet, sink, more mirror, and more storage. You can't want for more storage in this Caravan. We've got the fixed bed here, so we've got a Duvet mattress. It's really nice and comfortable. Loads of storage beneath the bed, and then opposite the bed you've got a fixed TV bracket, which is also wired to the TV aerial, mains, and 12 volt. And then you've got large tall wardrobes either side of the bed with mirrors on the front, and then again speakers in the bedroom. To the right of the bed you've got the freestanding table. That's where that is located and secured in place. I think that is most of the features included in this sterling Continental. If this is a model that you're interested in or would like more information on, please let us know. We're a friendly family run business. We're happy to help. We're open 7 days a week, so you can contact us by email or phone, so don't hesitate.